The Evangelical Mission Endowment Fund provides essential financial assistance to ministries in vulnerable places, such as communities of poverty, as well as new ministries.
They are, by their very nature, sent ministries or ministries that are reaching out. It gives us the opportunity to really experiment into new ways of being church together.
The Evangelical Mission Endowment Fund offers all of us in the Southwestern Texas Synod the opportunity to contribute to that outreach.
Pláticas has been many different things over the years. It's sort of been a transient program. We've moved from the west side to downtown. We've had several different locations, but it's basically a space for women who have felt thrown out of the church. And so Pláticas was that safe space for them to commune with other people who may have felt the same way.
And I think when people show up and they do see that they are welcome, whether it's someone who's experiencing houselessness down here, or if it's someone who's been exiled from the church in some of the other parts of town, or just someone who's never felt like they belong, to watch someone walk in the door and know that they're home and that they're welcome and that they're safe, it's just a gift.
We just bring them in and we just love on them and we share the Word of God with them, and it's amazing. We do it through art. We do it with food because we love to share a table with them, and I think they feel empowered, especially with Enadina, who was our leader up until August when she passed. The people that came to Pláticas knew they could depend on it for a safe space to share their feelings and to share their emotion.
Because we know that they have gifts to give. They've just been told for so long that they don't. Our leadership is entirely brown or queer people, and resources haven't historically gone to those marginalized communities. Our partnering congregations aren't the really large, wealthy congregations, so they give of their time and of their space, but they don't have financial resources to pour into this congregation. And so the ministry in the Mission Endowment Fund is crucial for our continuation.
I'm Edwin Ortiz. I'm from Puerto Rico. I began to talk with Chris to launch a kind of apostolic ministry.
The Southwestern Texas Synod covers large and diverse territory, and within that territory there are many challenges. There are also many opportunities.
I've been visiting churches, going around and driving a lot, looking around just to explore about what the Lord may be guiding us to do, what kind of needs the church have. What I see and I try is to have my senses and my ear listen to the word of the Spirit to guide me, to be alongside people. The people want to know that they are all the people that care about them.
So I wonder, as we're driving around here too, what other new ministries God might be calling us into? What other partnerships might be found?
When I went to Eagle Pass, one of the things that came out is the need that the women there have. And one of the things I was wondering is to develop a kind of ministry focused particularly in the women's needs there in Eagle Pass, to empower them, to help them with education.
Was part of the Spirit nudging you just to show up in Eagle Pass without an agenda and to just be attentive to what the Spirit might be doing? So many possibilities, right?
Mi nombre es Julio Vázquez y mi esposa Emma. Estamos trabajando en la Iglesia Luterana de San Lucas en la ciudad de Eagle Pass. Y hace como 2 años o 3 se formó el ministerio Eagle Pass Frontera Ministries.
Realmente tenemos 3 clases de necesidades en general. Uno es el pueblo es muy pobre, necesita comida.
Tenemos un banco de comida, el cual servimos los martes. Cada martes la gente puede ir una vez al mes.
La segunda es migración. Las personas migrantes necesitan un apoyo cuando entran al país. Cuando recibimos a las personas que vienen cansadas, mojadas, que vienen por muchos días sin dormir, les hacemos un ratito de oración.
Y esa es una de las diferencias entre un shelter de una iglesia o otro que no tenga esos principios religiosos, ¿no?
Y también en Higo Paz existen muchas familias que son disfuncionales. Todo ese apoyo que alguien que está en problemas, hay personas de suicidios que están siempre, tienen tanta necesidad de ser escuchados y también ese servicio es muy necesario en Higo Paz porque siempre hay tantas personas que están necesitando quien hable por ellas o quien les hable, incluso quien les hable de Dios, para que tengan una esperanza de vida. Ese es otro problema también muy grande que yo veo a este lugar.
La misma iglesia de San Lucas está en una población donde es pobre, ¿verdad? Y realmente no se recibe mucha ayuda. Yo creo que si no recibiéramos la ayuda del Sínodo o de la ELCA, no pudiéramos hacer este ministerio.
These ministries that we're talking about today, as well as those ministries we haven't even dreamed yet, are part of our vision of renewal for this whole Synod territory that we live in. You can get involved financially. You can get involved by supporting them in terms of prayers for them, volunteering to work with them. You have many opportunities because these are our mission experiments. These are our ministries in our territory. We are so much better together through these ministries and with one another than we could ever be on our own.